Hi guys, what is up? Again, this is part 2. Last time is 10 minutes. I don't want to, make my audience all boring and stuff. Fell off again. Oh, that's really bad. That's really bad. Oh no. Oh no. Don't leave, can I leave? Oh, no. Okay, we're starting. We're starting in 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Is that guy again? Oh, come on again. 1. Oh, whoa. Did he just... that guy just fell off the world. See you. Oh, thank you. It's appreciated. Oh, I need to. Oh, I'm a noob. Oh no. There we go. Oh, there we go. Let's just put that there. No players are there. 2 players remaining. Oh, is that guy? That guy and myself. Oh, saplings. Oh, saplings. Do I have any bone meal though? I don't have any bone meal. Oh crap. There we go. Crafting table. Stick. If only. I just need to make a sword. I'm gonna put it there. Sword. There we go. Oh, wooden sword. And I need wooden pickaxe. There we go. I'm gonna put it there. We don't need that. Oh, this guy. Oh, taking advantage, huh? Yes! Yay! Yay! I won, guys! Finally! I won! Thank you! First time I won. Thank you guys for watching. Bye! See you next week. Next video.